This is definitely one of the best kid-friendly hotels within Tagaytay na napagstayan namin. Has playroom for the kids, bowling center, heated indoor pool at marami pang iba. Napakagandang view ng Taal Lake, masarap na breakfast buffet, spacious at relaxing rooms. Saan ito? Then stay tuned! Hi guys, this is Mami Colots. This year we celebrated our 10th year wedding anniversary with the kids. Kaya naman hanap namin yung dapat kid-friendly, may playroom, heated and pool at masarap ang pagkain. May view ng Taal Lake at higit sa lahat, dapat budget-friendly. At lahat ng mga yan, present sa hotel na ito. Na to our surprise ay binook ni husband for us. This is Alta de Tagaytay Hotel located at Barangay Iruhin, South Ridgeview Subdivision, Tagaytay, Cavite with free breakfast buffet. At dito kami nagstay sa attic room na good for 4 packs. Ito yung hitsura ng room, may 2 single bed and 1 queen size bed. Office space, TV, minibar, ref, closet, hot and cold shower. Yung amenities is located in the other building pero hindi problema ang pagpunta dahil may standby shuttle para ihatid ka. First to explore ay ang bowling center na definitely ay na-enjoy ng kids namin. As well as billiards and table tennis. May KTV din, all of extra charge. This is their pool area, free access for all. May pang adult which is 5 feet and syempre meron din pang kids. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko bukod sa heated na itong pool ay covered pa. Kaya naman para sa ating mga lamigin at kids na gusto pang mag-swimming kahit 9 PM na, perfect ito para sa atin. They also have in-house restaurant which they serve local and international cuisine of which sinaserve din ang breakfast buffet. Kung may plans din kayo para magpakasal of which meron nung nag-check-in kami pero hindi ko na nga lang binidyo. And as a bride, masasabi kong breathtaking talaga ang view dito sa Tagaytay. Kasi andito na din yung San Antonio de Padua Chapel for wedding ceremony, Vestibulo de Alta for reception, and Alta de Tagaytay for wedding reception and honeymoon.
Just visit their website to book your room.